guys, my name is Dan, and today I will show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Filmora. So I will show you how to zoom in on the parts of your video and zoom out of the parts of your videos. Okay, so as we can see here, we got one clip right here. I just import that. Hello guys, my name is Dan. Now we are going to drag some of the drag to the part that we want to zoom in. There we go. Let's just say that this is the part that we want to zoom in. Cut the section. There we go. Click your cut video and choose crop and zoom, or you can just press Ctrl C. Now this is the crop part, but we are going to do pan and zoom. Here we are going to zoom in on the corner of the screen. Now if you hit in review, there we go. We are going to copy the output resolution. This game was made in 2016, I don't know. Okay. Now to stay zoom in, we are going to cut another section. There we go, Alt C. There we go. Now let us preview
Maybe
it.
This game was made in 2016. I don't know. Okay,
now
okay, after the small talk.
Here, once that, we are going to zoom out. Now cut the video again. Alt C. And then this is the starting point. So let's paste that. Now, and this is the end point.
Okay, after talk,
and there we go. We are officially done.
From the year 20, hacked my.
Here I will give the review for you.
To prevent people from
hold on,
like always changing their name. Maybe this game was made in 2016, I don't know.
There we go.
Okay, we are going to roll.
Now let us watch it zoom out.
Okay, after the small talk. Okay, after the.
And that is it. That is how you officially zoom in and zoom out on Filmora9, and that is all. I hope you find this video very helpful, and if you do, you can go ahead and like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video on your social media account so your buddies can understand, so it will be helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.